Hi friends, this is Kalyani. Today we will discuss about looping statements. There are three types of looping statements. They are while loop, do while loop and for loop. The general form of the do while loop statement is do statement while expression. Here the difference is that in case of do while loop, the expression is evaluated after the body of loop is executed. In case of while loop, the expression is evaluated before executing body of loop. Here, the general form of the do while loop is do statement while expression, where the statement is single statement or compound statement. In contrast to while loop statement, body of loop of do while loop is executed one or more times. In do while loop, first the statement is executed and then the expression is tested. If the expression evaluates to false, that is 0, the loop terminates and execution control transfer to the next statement that follows it. Otherwise, expression is evaluated if it is a true or non-zero, execution of statement is repeated and interactive process is continuous. If it is a false, then go to the exit, and if it is a true, then the expression evaluates the execution of the statements, repeats, and the interactive process continues. Here see the flow chart. Here we will discuss one example here. See here. Here I have created one integer variable, that is counter equal to 1 semicolon, and in do I have given some statements. What is that? Counter cout, now the counter value is counter endl and counter increases. While here I have given one expression, that is counter less than equal to 10. Here in case of the do while loop, the statement is executed at least once, whereas in case of while loop, the statement may not executed at all if the expression results to the false for the first time itself. Here see here. First of all, if it checks the expression, checks the expression. If it is a true, then it automatically goes to here and prints. And it is a false, then automatically it comes out of the loop. Have you understood the whole topic? This is the general form of the do while loop. This is the body of the loop. This is the example program. Have you understood the whole topic? Please share my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Please like my channel. Thank you.